Can prepare and enjoy this in the comfort of your home. Let me show you how I made it. The full list of ingredients will be in the description of this video. So for the Irish potato, it was not cooked from the beginning, so this is me cooking it. Then I added some, after cooking it for a while, I added some pepper and seasoning to taste. Try not to overcook the potatoes. Then I now added the chicken, shredded chicken, carrots, and every other ingredient I used. Then added little water so that the vegetables can just simmer a bit, not for long, just like a minute. So cover just for a minute. Then added the flour mixture for it to make it slurry. So when you add the flour mixture, make sure you turn it very well. Don't just add it and cover. Turn it, let everything mix very well. So there are other recipes that you can also use to make your filling. This is just one out of so many. All right, so for the dough, I added some salt and the baking powder, mixed it before adding the margarine. Then I rubbed the butter into the flour. How you know it's okay, you can see how it is now, using my Nigerian word, gari like. Yes, just like yellow gari. So you now add water gradually and fold it in gradually. In case you don't like dirt, as in you don't like it going to your hands, you can use your gloves. So me, I prefer working with my hands. You can see fold it in. You don't need to knead this one. This is not donut, so don't knead it. You can see the dough very soft, and that's why you need to pour the water gradually until you get the desired texture. Then roll into any shape you want. So this is me. Don't say I don't have meat pie cutter, I don't have a pie cutter, so because of it I cannot make my pie at home. No. You can actually improvise and get any shape you want. So I used egg as the glue. Just break a whole egg, whisk it, and it works. Or you can also use flour and water as your glue. Mix the flour in water, let it be a bit thick. So this is me egg washing it. Just rub the whisk egg on top before baking. This will give it that fine brownish color, that fine. You can see how it's what the egg wash did. So enjoy, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.